Hey, for anyone who's watching, my name is Victoria and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's look is going to be a patriotic look. I just kind of felt like being creative and playing around with some makeup. So I went ahead and already had my eyelids primed with the Tarte Shape Tape in Fair Neutral and then covered them with the color Cake Face from the Manny MUA palette. I initially started out doing this look with the Tarte Shape Tape as a wing liner and then tried covering it with eyeshadow, but ended up hating the way that it looked. So later I'm going to go back in with the NYX Vivid Brights liquid liner in the shade Sapphire and in the white color. And for the red, I'm going to be using the Tatiest lip paint in the color Extra. So like I said earlier, I just went back in with those 3 different colors for eyeliner. Now I'm just taking the Bad Gal Bang mascara from Benefit and then also the Roller Lash from Benefit. And now I'm going to be applying some Ardell Demi Wispies for lashes. So next I'm taking the Too Faced Hangover primer and just applying that all over my face. And then for foundation, I'm using the Stila Stay All Day foundation in the shade Bare 1 and mixing together some of the NYX Total Control drops in the shade Pale, and then just blending that all out with a Real Techniques beauty sponge. Now just going back in with that Tarte Shape Tape in the shade Fair Neutral and highlighting under my eyes and any high points of my face, and again blending that out with the Real Techniques beauty sponge. Going in with the Tarte Pro Glow palette using the cream contour in the color Shade. I'm going to lightly bake under my eyes and then dust a little bit of the Pixi by Petra translucent powder all over my face. Dipping back into the Tarte Pro Glow palette, I'm going into the shade Sculpt to do a slight contour on my nose. Now taking the Laura Geller Baked Body Frosting in the shade Tahitian Glow just to bring some warmth back into my face, and then dipping back into the Tarte Pro Glow with that shade Sculpt to just kind of deepen the contours up. Then I took the shade Desert Road from Note Cosmetics. It is just a really pretty peachy blush. And then I followed that up with the Anastasia Glow Sugar Kit in the shade Marshmallow, and then topped that with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter, and that just made for a really vibrant glow, and just put that all over the places that highlighter would usually go. Then I grabbed the Modern Renaissance palette by Anastasia Beverly Hills and used the color Red Ochre to run that under my lower lash line, and followed that up with the LA Girl Gel eyeliner in the shade Royal Blue. So I'm taking that Tatiest lip paint in the shade Extra from earlier to use that as my base colored lipstick, and then I'm going to follow that up with the Smashbox Crimson Chrome Liquid Metal Lip Gloss. And I did finish everything off with the Smashbox Photo Finish Centering Citrus Primer Water that was in collaboration with Nicole Concilio. And that brings us to the end of this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.